Hello everyone, welcome to today's network tutorial. In this session, we are going to explore and compare three important first hop redundancy protocol: hot standby router protocol, virtual router redundancy protocol, gateway load balancing protocol. These protocols play a key role in ensuring network availability, redundancy, and load balancing, which are essential for any reliable enterprise network. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand their working principles, differences, advantages, and practical use cases. So you know exact when and why to choose each one. This is a sample HSRP configuration. This is a virtual IP address of a, and this one is priority. Default priority is 100. To make it active, we make it more than 100. Maximum is 255, 8 bit. This is preemption enabled. This is timer. Hello timer is 3 seconds. In this, active and standby talk to each other. And this is hold timer. This is 10 seconds. This is authentication. This is VRRP sample configuration. This is almost the same. Priority is also by default is 100. This preemption enabled. Default timer is 1 second. This is authentication. This is GLLP IP address, virtual IP address. This one priority preemption. This is the most important feature is that load balancing is possible in GLLB. Round robin, weighted also. Round robin, in this round robin, you can the packet will pass through each router. Each one gets the chance to pass packets. Timers, hello timers, hold down timers, authentication. Due to the limitations Cisco packeters, I am unable to demonstrate the configuration of VRRP and GLLP in this tutorial. However, the configuration commands are almost the same as HSRP, with only slight difference in features. Key distinction in GLLP provides load balancing, unlike HSRP and VRRP. For clear understanding the configuration process, I recommend watching HSRP configuration video along with this comparison tutorial. Yes, one of them I have made this priority higher to make it active. That's why the packet is passed through this one. One is standby and other is listening. This is HSRP. VRRP I cannot possible. It is not possible in Cisco packet tracer. You have to use GNS3, which uses images of router and switches. See, packet, Ethernet packet, header. This is MAC address, zero no, Ethernet. See, when if I switch off this one, then enable, enable, configure terminal interface G0 G0/0/0. I will make it shut down. Wait a minute. I will show you. Do show standby brief. First you see this one. Virtual IP is this one, where there are two groups, 10 and 20. Virtual IP address of this one. This side, on this side, wait a minute. This is group 0, group 10. This is group 10. This is group 10. And this is group 20. So what I was showing you is this is 10 group, group 10, and this is 20 group. Virtual IP address is 1 and 10, and this is 2 and 20. And this is active, this is standby, and this is listening. See, this is active, standby is 1.2, this is 1.2, 1.2, this one is. Now I'll show you this one. Enable, enable, show stand by brief. See, not active, it's listening. Other routers listen. One is active, one is standby, other one is listening. This is active router, this is standby router, this is virtual IP. When I shut down one of the link, then it will, one of the port, then it will shift automatically. User will not have any interference in his communication. Interface shut. See, now packet will pass through this one, this because this is one is a standby. See, now we'll check. Still down. See, now the comparison. This is Cisco proprietary, and this is GLLB. GLBP is also Cisco proprietary. This is open standard VRRP. Standard support Cisco. This is for multi-mailer. Protocol numbers UDP. UDP, it gives pass packets without acknowledgement. It is fast, faster than TCP, but it's not reliable. Load balancing, no. And in GLLB, yes, traffic distribution is possible. Redundancy, active standby. This is in master backup, and this is active virtual gateway, active virtual forwarder. Active router sends all the AVF MAC address through round robin mechanism or through weighted or by host also. Yeah. Yes. In GLBP load balancing, there are three types of load balancing is there: round robin, weighted, host dependent. In round robin, equal turn based packet forwarding. Packets are distributed equally in cyclic order to all routers. This one packet will go in this way, other will go in this, and the third will go this, and this happens in a cyclic order. to all routers share the load almost equally, uniformly. In weighted router, let's say this is a gigabit, then it will share handle more traffic compared to the slower one. This is fast Ethernet, then this gigabit will share more. In host dependent load balancing, each host stick to a single router. This, let's say this PC will pass its data on through this router. PC2 will pass its data to router B, and PC3 will pass this data to router 2. The host always use the same router for forwarding traffic, which reduces path changes and ensures session consistency. Election method is priority and higher IP address. Number of groups 255, 8-bit, and this is 1024. Timers, hello timer is 3 second by default, 10 second. We can change the timer also by using command timer, hold timer, uh, and hello timer, and hold on timer. This is advertisement interval is 1 second. Master downtime is this formula: advertisement terminal, and skew time is 256 minus priority upon 256. If higher the priority, it will make the more faster. 256 minus 255 upon 256, 1 upon 256, which makes it more, less number. So in this one, 3 second hello timer, and this is 10 second hold on timer. Version 1 and version 2, different multicast address. Best use case: simple redundancy, multi-vendor redundancy plus load balancing. Single virtual IP, multiple virtual IP. It uses master IP address as a virtual IP address also. This is single virtual IP address. Group virtual MAC address. This one is Cisco 00040, and then this 0C, this organization, and this one is, this is fixed for all, 07 AC, and this one is, this is for reserved for HSRP, and this one is group number. Access is group number. This is VRRP. Here is also group number, and in GLLP, this one is group number. Supports IP version 6. No. VRRP no, and GLLPP yes. Suppose you have 3 routers in GLLPP. AVG assigns 3 virtual MAC address. Mind it, this is virtual MAC address. MAC address is, it gives 3 virtual MAC address for each router. Host A may get MAC address of 0074B01. This is group number. And this one, host B gets 2, host C gets 3. Each router handles forward for the MAC address assigned to it. So all routers share the traffic load. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe for more videos.